Hey guys, this is Ricardo Gardner with another blog tech tips tutorial. Now in today's episode I'm going to show you how to actually use the SPF flash tool or the smartphone flash tool to actually flash any blue Android phone and to actually fix the issue where you're stuck on boot. I'll show a picture on screen of the issue where you're actually stuck on the boot logo or the Android logo. Alright, so if you find yourself with the issue of the Android logo, this is the article that will help you to actually fix it, especially if you have already tried to factory reset and that did not help. This should actually help you in fixing the issue. Alright, now to flash your smartphone, you'll need a few files. Now I've put a link to the website where all the files are provided and pictures, and you can follow along with this video. Now depending on your smartphone, you're going to download these files. Now as you can see on screen here, I'll try to make it large enough. You can come in a little bit closer. Now as you see here, I have several files. Now this is the phone that I'll be using. I'll show you a picture of it here, and this is a BLU Advanced 4.0. If you have another type of BLU, it will still work. Just go to the website, request your file, and you'll be good. Now seeing that I'm flashing the BLU 4.0, I've already gone ahead and downloaded the file. Now as you can see here, it's a 272 megabyte file, and this is actually the file that's going to replace the operating system on the BLU that's stuck on the boot logo. Next, we'll need the SP flash tool or the smartphone flash tool. I'm using version 5. The link is also provided on the website. It's just 50 megabytes. And you'll need the drivers or the MTK drivers or the drivers for your specific model of the phone. Alright, now as soon as you get that, you're going to extract your firmware. So you can see here, see that's going to extract. You can extract this to somewhere like a desktop or into a folder. Now here is the file. Now if you look inside, you'll notice there are several files here. For example, number of things such as boot, cache, and so on. Now the important file in here is the scatter file, as you can see here, and it's just a text file that's going to tell the program where it can find all the other components that it will need to flash your BLU smartphone. Alright, so next we're going to open up the flash tool, and as you said, this is the flash tool. Now you just launch this. Now you notice it says here that the scatter files cannot be found. Now there's nothing wrong with that, so you're just going to press OK. Now as you see on screen here, this is the smartphone flash tool, and this is the latest version, as I said. Now what you want to do now is to actually load the scatter file. You notice here it says scatter loading file. You're actually going to search for the scatter file wherever you download it. The links will be on the website. You must go over to the website to actually get these files or to request a specific file. I'm using Windows 10. Even if you're using Windows 8, 7 or so on, the procedure will be the same. Here we have the BLU flash, and of course, remember earlier I told you that we extracted the BLU firmware. Alright, I'm going to open that, and as you see here, it conveniently only shows the scatter file that I showed you earlier. You're going to select that and you're going to click open, and as you notice here, the list is populated. The program now knows where all of the files are. Alright, now at this point, you're going to actually connect your phone to, or your BLU to your computer. Now you need to actually remove the battery, right? And you're going to remove the battery, and you're going to actually plug in the USB cable and connect it to the computer. Once you do that, right, you're going to realize that's going to come up. You're going to go into device manager, and you're going to search for the drivers, and you're going to browse to this folder, and you're going to find the MTK drivers here and select this folder, and of course it's going to load and detect your phone. After that, you're going to click download after selecting the format and download. Alright, now that we have that out of the way, for the next few minutes I'm going to actually carry out the process and actually show you how it's done. During that time you can just simply follow what I'm doing on screen. Remember, you remove the battery out of the phone, then connect it. So next I'm going to actually start the process, run you through it, show you when it's finished. You'll see you guys again when that section is finished. Alright guys? And here you go, the phone is fully working and it was stuck on boot using the app that you have seen, the SPS flash tool. Alright guys, I hope you were able to successfully flash your device as I showed you there. Just remember that basically if you need any help you can go over to the website or leave a comment here. I'd prefer if you leave it on the website. I'm more likely to see it. And of course you can request your files on the website as I indicated earlier. Now remember this will work for any BLU, right? So all you have to do is just get the appropriate files and do as you have seen. As you saw earlier, my phone is now fully up and running and everything is working properly. Now, of course, I'm sure you are now happy that your device is fully functional. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps. And please remember to subscribe to the channel. We have lots of tech tips, tutorials, and fixes. This is Ricardo Gardner from Black Tech Tips saying goodbye and just enjoy yourself until next time. Bye.